Okay na, okay na, okay na.
Only two. Dati naman ito. Hindi ka makakarakan.
Ano, tabi dati. Ano naman ito? O, ito, may langka. Oh. May langka. Oh, parang kaunti ang ano niya.
Papaya. Papaya. That's not.
Butal-butal lang ano. Ilang kilo kaya to? Ilang kilo kaya to? Dado, langka.
Langka.
Oh, ate's favorite. Bango. Oh, yun na.
Yes. I want this. Just spicy.
Unas kay Hana.
It's so yummy.
Hindi mo daw yan nakunap.
Mommy. Mommy, I want this one.
No. Pineapple. Saan pa? Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. At Imogen Place, thank you for dropping by. Oh, may ano, gabi. May gabi. May gabi. Oh, sarap to sa sinabawan. Kuha tayo ng gabi. Isang gabi, baby. Ano pa, dapat pala tatlo yung kinuha natin. Ate!
Hello.
Hi!
I'm shopping.
Yeah, you're shopping. We're doing grocery.
Grocery
We're
store.
shopping for... Oh, may mga chips pala dito, baby, oh. Want some chips? Oh, may nakuha na naman si Hana. Oh, may Oishi dito. Ate, your favorite.
What?
Oh, ano yan, Hana? May nakuha ka na naman. Here, ate, oh. Here.
Hey, Dad, we eating
Oh, si ate nakakuha naman, oh. Ate's favorite.
pepper.
Ate's favorite. Ay, di ko dito ka nakabili ng kalamansi.
Oh, look the ice cream daw.
Ice cream. May mga ano din dito, oh. Chips, piatos. It's $5.
That's so Miko. That's so Miko. That's so Miko. Yay!
Okay, bye for now, everyone. Thank you so much for watching. I'm going to end this live. Bye-bye. Gonna get busy. Oh, may Ferrero dito. Oh, $2. Talaga. Ito marami dyan. It's for kids. Snacks. Okay, bye-bye. Thank you much for watching, everyone. Thank you. Bye for now. Big love shout out to our 8 live viewers and followers. Bye. Thank you.
Yay!